My ankle's been hurting so much my dad's made me a new buggy to get round. I'm going to show you some diagrams about my new buggy. I'm going to take you to the dishwasher. There's my buggy down there. Here is some of the diagrams I was going to show you about my new buggy. It looks quite technical. I can never understand these diagrams, but I can't wait to have a go in it. Right, let's get this buggy going and go and have a look at the dishwasher. Sounds like this buggy needs a drop of oil on. Sounds like a wine vector. It's not far to go now. The dishwasher's in sight. It's better than walking with my bad ankle. I'm just going to get the door and climb up inside. It is very slippery up here. I'll have to sit down and tell you all about the dishwasher. This is the compartment where you put a tablet of soap. In the back of the dishwasher there is a propeller that flies round and the water comes out at the ends and washes all the plates, cups, saucers and cutlery. Dishwashers have got a built-in dryer which dries all the things in the dishwasher. It saves washing up in the sink and it gets them really clean and sparkling. I'll have to go now, it's nearly the end of the programme. Goodbye.